backward for Kucherov to the center ice circle. The middle point. Lost the blue line is checked. Kucherov follows up. Keeps it alive. Miller right point to an open Stamkos left circle. Stamkos holds. Shoots! Score! There it is! He's tied LeCavalier's record. Well, he had that goal against Detroit on Saturday that was overturned due to an offside challenge, but this one's going to count. And the Lightning are on the board with the power play goal for Stamkos, and he has tied Vinny LeCavalier with 383 career goals. All-time franchise record.
Beautiful execution by Steven Stamkos on the power play from his office. Kind of a no-look shot for him. He has plenty of time to place that puck where he wants, and he beats Jimmy Howard blocker side. Steven Stamkos, what an incredible honor for him.
He's checked by Paquette. Gets help, though, from Athanasiou. A little pass picked off Yanni Gourde. Knocked off his stick. Diving play right there by Bertuzzi. And here's Mantha on a breakaway and alone. Save made by Vasilevsky. He got loose behind the Lightning defense. I think it was Daly who launched it up ice, and Mantha denied by Vasilevsky in the breakaway. Center ice, deals for Stamkos. Cross the blue line, right circle. Shoots, and a blocker save made by Howard. Hedman follows up left point. Pumps for Stamkos behind the net. Looking for Kucherov right circle. Kucherov wins it. Left circle, Stamkos in front. Point! Shoots, block, score! Point on the rebound! And it's 3-2. Braden Point converts with 18-14 left in the third.
A great job by both Kucherov and Stamkos. They don't give up on that play. Stamkos doing a nice job behind the net, trying to find Kucherov. The pass is intercepted, but Kucherov comes up with it, gets back to Stamkos, and he sees Braden Point wide open. Point unable to get one through on the first attempt, but he finishes on the second one. Lightning now cut the deficit to just one. Braden Point, a beautiful goal there for the Lightning.
In left corner. Back for Anthony Mantha, right circle. Mantha. On the net, Athanasiou. Feed in front of Rasmussen. Save made. He gets it again and shot a wide left. Great save by Vasilevsky, and then the rebound was missed. LeCavalier franchise goal mark. Miller thrown out. Stamkos will take it against Glendening, and Stamkos wins it. Hedman left point, right circle. Kucherov. Score! An absolute rocket from Kucherov! And we're tied at 3 with 11:36 left.
Only took 4 seconds into this power play before Nikita Kucherov picks up his third point of the game and just fires an absolute bomb from the right circle. The Lightning now 3-3. Beautiful execution by Nikita Kucherov, and he is on right now.
That was a 50-50 face-off, but Point jumped in there to feed it back to Hedman. So the assist to Hedman and Point. Kucherov 3 more points tonight. Back for Tyler Johnson, left circle. Lightning have 2 in the third. Left circle, Palat, shoot, save made. Rebound is loose. Nielsen will take it behind the net. He's checked by Johnson. Keeps it moving, Palat, right circle. Right point, Chernak. Shoot, score! The Lightning have the lead! I think that was tipped in front. The Lightning get the goal on the Chernak shot that may have been tipped by Tyler Johnson, and they have their first lead tonight, 4-3 Lightning with 11:10 left.
Yeah, Tyler Johnson puts his hands up and celebrates that one. He helps maneuver the puck behind the net, finding Andre Palat, and a great job redirecting. He has the great body positioning in front of the Lightning defenseman in front. Just gets enough on that Chernak one to completely change direction and catch Howard off guard.
Why it was called. All right, so Mantha has the puck on the power play in the offensive zone right circle. Right point, Hronek. Left circle, Athanasiou. Back for Mantha, right circle. Center point, Hronek. Shoots wide left, rebound, Athanasiou. Save made by Vasilevsky, and a tough angle rebound chance, but he almost slipped that in. Rasmussen in the right corner. Back for Mantha, right point. Pressure by the wings on the power play. Center point, Hronek. Shoots, blocked by Cirelli.
Andre Athanasiou is going to go home shaking his head tonight. He's had some point-blank chances on open nets earlier in the game, and on that last one.
Back for Braden Point, left point. They work for Kucherov behind the net. Right circle, Stamkos. Stamkos is checked by Helm, but he'll keep it alive. Point, right circle, Kucherov steps in front. Score! Kucherov! His 4th point tonight! And he makes it 5-3 Lightning with 3:22 left to go. This line has been absolutely scorching in this game.
Another unbelievable finish from Nikita Kucherov, cutting across the net, beats Jimmy Howard top shelf. And this play starts along the boards as Steven Stamkos and Braden Point working together. Point finds Kucherov cutting up the middle. Kucherov able to very skillfully move from his backhand to his forehand. Top shelf. Nikita Kucherov, a 4-point night.
Gathers the puck. Not a lot of time left. 5 seconds left. Holds on to it. Spins it to Mantha at center ice. The pass blocked by Cirelli. He shoots it toward the open net. It's wide, but the Lightning win it. 5-4. A game that started not well for the Lightning at all. They fall behind 3-0. They rally with 5 unanswered goals and hold on to beat the Red Wings for the 15th consecutive time in the regular season. 5-4 your final. A wild game, Kaylee.
It's another exciting one and a beautiful comeback victory, and that Point Stamkos Kucherov line just unstoppable in the second half of that game.